Hello, and welcome to Chapter 12, our last chapter on titrations. Today, or whenever you watch these videos, we're going to be talking about EDTA titrations. So this is a type of titration that involves the formation of a metal complex. And so let's first talk about what EDTA is and why it reacts with metals. So EDTA is shown in this structure right here. So the EDTA stands for ethylene diamine tetraacetic acid. Now this is a hexaprotic acid. Has four different carboxyl groups on it. 1, 2, 3, 4 carboxylic acids. And then it also has separately these amino groups right here and here. Now each of these can act as electron donating groups to attach to a metal ion. So metal ions act as Lewis acids, which means that they are electron pair acceptors. And these electron-rich ligands on the ligand of the ethylene diamine tetraacetic acid can donate their electrons to the metal and bind together and form a bond. And so this is these EDTA in particular has 6 different places this can happen, and so this is called chelation. So this comes from the word for bite. So the ligand here, EDTA, bites onto the metal and forms a metal complex. And so this is an example of what it looks like when EDTA binds with the metal. And so this is a 1-to-1 stoichiometry. That's the most important part of this. But the EDTA wraps all around the metal ions. So the metal ions here in the middle. And the EDTA binds in 6 different places, those 6 different electron-rich groups, the carboxylic acid groups, and then the amino groups around the metal ion. So the structure looks something like this. And so we take advantage of the fact this is a very favored reaction for most metal ions, and we take advantage of this reaction to do a titration. And so we can add known amounts of EDTA to metal ion solutions to measure the concentration of metal ions in that solution. And so this is the last type of titration we're going to be talking about. There's one additional one that we've skipped over, which is redox titrations, where we use oxidation reduction reactions to measure concentrations of species in solution. But this is a brief introduction to EDTA and how it reacts with metal ions.